Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss or going to give a demo lecture on the topic probability. First of all, we must have to know what is meant by probability, what is the background behind the probability. In everyday life, we come across some statement such as it will probably rain today. This is a sentence. This sentence indicates that probably rain today. It is not fixed or not give a certainty. There is a rain today. There may be probably means uncertainty is there. This word indicate the uncertainty in the event. Event will possible or not possible. It will depend upon the situation. This word indicate the probability what? Then I doubt that he will pass the test. In this sentence, the doubt is this word which indicate the uncertainty. There are some another sentences such as most probably Kavita will stand first in annual examination. In this sentence, most probably is this word which indicate the uncertainty. In fourth sentence, chances are high that the prices of diesel will go up. Here, chances is the word which indicates the uncertainty in the event. Then there is 50-50 chance of India winning the toss in today's match. There in this sentence also there is 50-50 chances are there because 50-50 chance is the word which indicate the probability or uncertainty in the event. The words such as probably, doubt, most probably, chances, etc. use in the statement above involve an element of uncertainty. For example, in sentence number one, there is a probably rain. Will mean it may rain or may not rain today. We are predicting rain today based on our past experience. When it rain under a similar condition or similar prediction are also made in the other case listed in 2 to sentence number 2 to 5. The uncertainty of probability can be measured numerically by means of probability in many cases. Then next is the what is the probability? The branch it is defined as the branch of mathematics that measures the uncertainty of the occurrence of an event using numbers is called as probability. This is the definition of the probability means measure mathematics that measures the uncertainty of the occurrence of an event. Event will occur or not occur is giving the probability using numbers is called as the probability. The chance that an event will or will not occur is expressed on a scale. There is a scale from 0 to 1 which indicate the event will occur or will not occur. There is another percentage scale is there which indicate the 0% denote the impossible event and 100% implies the certain event. Now, first of all, we must have to know what is the event and outcome. First of all, what is meant by outcome? Outcome is the result of a random experiment. There is a random experiment, and the result of random experiment is nothing but the outcome. For example, when we roll a dice, getting 6 is an outcome. When we are going to roll the dice, the result will be the 6, and this is nothing but the outcome. An event is a set of outcome. Event is nothing but a set of outcome. For example, when we roll dice, probability of getting number less than 5 is an event. There is a note, an event can have a single outcome. You have to keep in mind that an event can have a single outcome. This is all about event and outcome. Now, experimental probability. What is meant by experimental probability? Experimental probability can be applied to any event associated with an experiment that is repeated a large number of times. There is a such type of experiment which are repeated in large number of times, and such type of experiments we can associate with experimental probability, which is known as a empirical probability. Also, experimental or empirical probability is defined as, or it is the ratio of a number of trials where an event occurred to the total number of trials. There is a formula P of E, where P is nothing but probability and E is nothing but the event, means probability of event is equal to number of trials where the event occurred divided by total number of trials. This is known as the probability, experimental probability. Now, what is meant by theoretical probability? Theoretical probability and experimental probability, these are the two types of the probability. Now, there is a formula for theoretical probability. Probability of event is equal to number of favorable outcomes to the number of possible outcomes of the experiment. Here we have to assume that outcome of an experiment are equally likely. This is about theoretical and experimental probability. Thank you.